Solus for Fortitude is finally out. After much confusion and drama regarding the absence of the Solus founder Ikey Doherty, the Solus team has finally managed to release a new version of the popular Linux distro. What's get up, this is Linux Tex and today we will be having a look at the newly released Solus for Fortitude. Let's get right into it. Solus 4 features the new and improved Budgie desktop environment. Budgie in Solus 4 looks much more glossy and shiny. There are noticeable improvements in the user interface elements like the menu. The animations are subtle yet so good to look at. The desktop environment is built using GTK+3 and the similarities to GNOME desktop are visible. But the workflow is very different from GNOME. The menu is minimal and avoids distraction. It looks refined with an organized layout and a fast search. The bottom panel is built with productivity as the prime aim. Solus has a side panel which houses notifications, quick settings and important applets. This side panel makes work so much more focused and fast. The pre-installed wallpaper pack has some really good artwork. There is very less provision for desktop customization, but I do feel that the desktop looks beautiful as it is. Talking about the performance, Solus 4 is a fast and a responsive distro. The app launches are quick and the interaction with your computer feels really snappy. Solus 4 has a low idle resource usage. It will run fluid smooth on computers that have even the modest specs. Solus is a rolling release Linux distro, but it is not a bleeding edge distro like Arch. Rather, it's a stability focused distro with an emphasis on the usability and dependability. Solus gives the users a deeper control over the updates. The updates are divided into categories and only the essential security updates are applied automatically. The other updates you can just choose not to install. This allows you to install Solus and be fully focused on your work, not needing to worry about keeping your system updated every day. Solus is a solid, dependable distro and it has one of the lowest maintenance. Now that is a great combination. Solus 4 has a very simple and organized software center. The software are organized in sections and it is quite easy to browse and find software that you need. You install software with a single click. Solus has its own independent software repositories. These repositories contain a good number of software, but not everything you'd want is available. And it should be noted that not many software vendors package their software for Solus, so you might have to rely on app image and other package formats at times. Solus Software Center has a separate section for proprietary third-party apps. Although the list is not too huge, it still does contain some popular and useful software. Solus is a pure community-driven project. Now Solus doesn't have a community that is extremely huge, but it is very nice and generally people tend to help you out if you encounter issues on Solus. Installing Solus is a very simple and fast procedure. It's very beginner friendly and you can install Solus in around 20 minutes. Now to talk about my personal impression of Solus. Well, it was rather a mixed experience. Solus is loved mainly because of the Budgie desktop, but Budgie is not mature enough. A lot of themes, even the default ones, don't play well with a lot of applications like Audacity and Firefox. Missing icons, wrong colors can be observed now and then. Dark theme messes up even the websites. Overall, Solus 4 is a good distro for average home use, but it still has a lot of way to go in terms of software repository growth and polishing. Could I use Solus as my main OS? Probably. Would I use Solus as my main OS? Not really, not yet. Anyway, do check it out. The link to download Solus is in the description of this video. I'm gonna be posting a lot of Linux videos, so make sure to hit the subscribe button below. This is Linux Tex signing out.